Repair flip-flops. Flip-flops are super cheap that it's very easy to replace them when they get ruined. But what if they suddenly get damaged while you're, say, on vacation and there's no slipper store inside? Here are some simple solutions to solving a flip-flop blowout easily, quickly, and with the least amount of fuss. Assess the extent of damage. There are many ways that a flip-flop could get damaged, but two of the most common are the following: the stopper, or the circular thing at the end of the middle strap, was unplugged from the middle hole, and the stopper was removed altogether. If the stopper was unplugged but it's still there in one piece, the remedy to your problem is very simple: just plug it back in the middle hole, and use duct tape to make sure that it stays attached. Put the duct tape over the stopper at the bottom of the flip-flop. Use a paper clip. If the stopper was removed altogether, you will have to do something to attach the strap to the hole and make sure that it stays there. For this purpose, you could use a paper clip. Straighten out the paper clip. Pull the strap through the hole until a few centimeters of it is extending through the hole. Now, poke the straightened paper clip through the strap. The point here is to have something extend through the strap, so that it will stay extended below the hole and not go up through the hole once again. An alternative to paper clip is a safety pin or an aluminum wire. Do know, however, that this step is for temporary remedies only, to enable you to hobble back home and find yourself a new pair of flip-flops. Use duct tape. In place of a paper clip, you could also use duct tape. As described above, pull the strap down through the hole, and roll the duct tape over the overhanging part of the strap. The important thing is that you put enough tape over the strap so that the tape will block the strap from going once again up through the hole. Know what to do if your flip-flops start to peel apart. Yet another common problem among inexpensive flip-flops is that the top and the sole tend to peel apart after a while, especially if it was exposed to too much dampness, if you waded through a beach wearing them, for example. To remedy this problem, simply use quick-drying, super-strength glue and apply it in between the sole and the top using a small paintbrush. Let the glue dry thoroughly. There you have it. These are some of the ways that you could easily fix your flip-flops in a jiffy during an emergency situation, and using the most basic materials. As mentioned, these solutions are typically done as a remedy for sudden busted flip-flops, and it's still best that you replace them with new ones as soon as you have the opportunity. Next time, It's best that you invest in better quality flip-flops to lessen the chances that you will suffer the same situation in the future. Good luck, and hope this helped.